Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. I have my Ipsy box and this is my Open Studios box. I love getting this box every month. It's always so exciting to see what's inside. I literally just slit the tape just a second ago, right before I hit start. And it always says to you, from you. And inside, these boxes are always the same. Discover yourself. I'll give you a little quick peek if I can. Oh, real fast. It's heavy. I'm going to try to pop that up there. I save this. I recycle the foam. I use it in my giveaways. Let's just start here. My card, Ipsy Open Studios. And it looks like the theme for March 2022 is Ipsy Power Moves. That sounds exciting. I wonder, oh yeah. Rock statement nails, take risks with unexpected hues, or dare to experiment with something totally new. You just might discover it totally you. I agree with that. I'm going to start popping in a little bit different, rocking different eyeshadow looks. And so in this box, I received the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus each month that is so kindly gifted to me by Ipsy. The Glam Bag is $13 a month. You get 5 deluxe samples, occasional 1, maybe 2 full size sometimes. I saw somebody got 3 full size products last month, and you get to pick one of the items to customize in your bag. And the Glam Bag Plus is $28. You get 5 full size products, and we get to customize 3 out of the 5. I have no idea what's in my box. And these are just items that you could get. They just pick things, to send to me. So we'll start. Start with the Glam Bag right here. It says Power Moves. And this is, you can put your hand under. That's nice. I like that. Nice blue. It has a green zipper. And the tag does say Ipsy. Cute bag. Feels nice to the hand, which I love. Let's just see what's inside here. I see a few things that are just like free gifts. I don't know if that is part of this. Not all the times are the products in the right place, so I'm going to try to figure this out right now. I think this is good. I'm not sure. I don't know if that belongs in here or not. So this is the bag, a quick inside look. Nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So we have the blue. So the first item that I see in my bag is from Pure Brazilian, and this is a daily anti-frizz serum. Leave-in treatment for stronger, healthier looking hair. Right here. What does the top look like? It is like a cream. Oh man, does that smell good? Love that. Pure Brazilian. With keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter. Oh, that sounds like interesting. Don't think that is part of the Glam Bag. The next product, tiny. Hopefully I can see this, First Aid Beauty. This is the hydrating eye cream. Really tiny, but happy to have it because I love First Aid Beauty. I use their Ultra Repair cream as a hand cream because I have like 5 tubes of it. So it's great for your hands. What is this? From Kinship. Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask for soft, plump lips. We all want that. Clean, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. That's what the package looks like. Let's see what she looks like inside. Tube. Nice packaging. Love the color. Nice. I'm excited for that. Especially coming out of winter, going into warm weather, my lips will get dry very fast. It says lip hooray. I don't know if there's like a... I don't know if there... It shows like a peach color, so I don't know if that's what the color is when you put it on. So that's 3 products. The 4th product is from Ciate London. This is Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. is there. Nope, I don't see any shades. Or maybe that is on there. It just says Dewdrop, so that's probably. Of course, Oreo's going to play, because she knows I'm busy. So this is the package right here. Let's see what this looks like. It's a tube. Oh, that's a right there. This cheek glow. Is that what this said? Yeah, glossy cheek glow. Let's see what you look like. I mean, it really just blends right out. Maybe it's a topper, because it really doesn't leave any color. Slight, very slight. But like I said, maybe it's a topper. So that's 4 items. Now, I'm not sure. This product was in my bag, but this was loose in the box. So I don't know. This is a sample, I do believe. The It Superhero, where this would not be. I think this is part of the plus. So here from It Cosmetics Superhero, Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, right here. And then it's inside. So, you know, I'll show you what the tube looks like. Their tube is interesting. It's a little like fatter at the top, but that's black. You know, I love me some mascara, and I can't get it back in there. Why not? What's stopping it? No, that was stopping it. So then you just, whoops. Oh, we'll pop that back out so it stays. Let me see. Lash Changing Power Brush wraps every lash from base to tips for super volume, super length, super elastic strength. Shows you what the wand looks like. I think I've tried this before, if I'm not mistaken, but I do believe this should be part of the Glam bag. I don't think it should be part of the plus. So that's my Glam bag possibilities. I mean, I might get them same products. I might get 5 totally different, because I get my Glam bag plus and Glam bag versus Glam bag. So I do always do Ipsy versus Ipsy. But I do believe that that was part of, that was, the mascara was part of that. And then this is what the Glam bag plus looks like. I love these. These are great. As a little Ipsy tab. I love the coloring and the design. Very nice. What does it say up here? Something moves on. Wish I could see what it says. Bold moves on. Really pretty. I love their bags. And do use them for lots of things. So I would assume that this is part of the plus from Araceli. A pair of tweezers, lash and brow tweezers. I don't know why you would. I guess if you wanted to apply lashes, you could use them for lashes. I never thought to use regular tweezers. I'm not going to take them out, but I love getting those and having them for backup. This we had received, I think it was it Boxy that we got these last month? I have no idea. Alley Oop, and this is the 4-in-1 brush. I have not tried mine. I received 2 of them, and I am going to share one, and I'll probably share this one. And it says $10 on us, so there must be, if you purchase from them. I don't want to touch this because I want to share it. So you have a sponge on this end, a brush, and then you untwist. There's a small brush inside and a small brush inside. I think that this would be a hassle. I mean, you couldn't use it for foundation. You know, you might be able to use it for concealer or something like that. But, like, I don't know how you would moisten, like, wet it properly. I'm not 100% fan of this. So it's 1 powder contour, 1 blending sponge, 1 medium shadow brush, and 1 angled brow liner brush. All in one, like a 4-in-1 makeup brush kit. But you know what? If this is all you could use to travel, it would work. Ooh, this is nice. Saturday Skin. What is this? Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Oh, I don't think I have this from them. Gently apply to clean face, clean dry face. Rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water. Maybe used once or twice a week. Oh, that's exciting. And this is a tube. I know I don't have this now that I see it. Let's see if it has a seal on it. Yeah, it has a seal. Can't smell anything through it. Ooh, that's nice. It's always nice to have a cleanser. And this is a good travel size because it's not like a container, like a plastic jar or a glass jar. At least this, you know, if you have to pack it in an overnight bag, it's easy to take away with you. I'm excited for that. I know I don't have that. And this is from Soul Clean Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. So in this, I have 2 cleansers. That's strange. I never heard of this brand. Where are they from? Distributed by, made in Korea, and this comes from Las Vegas, Nevada. Probiotics, how does it say to use this? Refreshing water-based face cleanser. Removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Probiotics gently clean the skin and lock in moisture and improve skin smoothness. Okay. I like to look for the safety seal. This is a nice size tube, too. 3.38 fluid ounces, 100 ml. Happy for that. And then I have a palette. I don't generally get my too many palettes in my Ipsy Open Studios. But let's see what this is. Defiance from Carmela Cosmetics. Oops. Carmela Cosmetics. I never heard of them. Have any of you? Nice packaging. Yeah. Same as the box. Oh, are you kidding me? Why are they doing this to me with the neutral palette? Nice mirror. Long, like oblong mirror to match the palette. Look at this. I want to pull back just a little bit. Look how pretty that palette is. Just went through all my palettes. I know I would never use the black, but I would use every. Elevate is the copper. I love copper. This is going to stay with me. I think so. I think. Or should I give it away? I don't know what I'm going to do. I do have a lot of neutral palettes that I have not even touched yet. So I don't know what's going to happen with that. So I have a palette. I have 2 cleansers, which, like I said, was odd, but I'm okay with it. The brush. And then I believe the tweezers. And then my bag right here. And then little gifts we got for being in the Ipsy Open Studios, I'm sure. We have a little post-it note. Ipsy Moves. Love that. And it looks like we got some pens. 1 word at a time. We have, like, I guess, pink, green, and blue. Power Moves. Write your own story. I'm excited for them. Let me see how they write. I am a pen person. I have a teal. I'm using a teal pen right now. Love it. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, like, I don't write anything important with it. I do use, and it does have the little rubber on it so that you don't lose the ink. You know, if I have to write something important, I use black. But, ooh, and these are black. And these write nice. Look, I just did some scribble and wrote. I mean, these are nice. It's almost like a gel without it being a gel. Wow. Nice. Little doodles. I like. We'll get rid of that one. Need to keep that. Just toss that in the box. Oh, I like these pens a lot. I have a little round pot on my bedside table that I have all my pens in, and I have a couple pencils in there because I do use my pencils in my book for YouTube because you have to change something. So this is a welcome little surprise thank you. And who couldn't use a post-it note? I know I can. I'm always looking for little pieces of paper. I got to write some quick things down that I want to get done. And this I'm not sure about, honestly, from the glam bag, the little cheek thing. I mean, I'm not seeing a difference. I don't get it. I don't understand that. I'll have to look a little bit more into that. So my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March 2022. This is a spoilers video, so should have said that in the beginning. But it is in my thumbnail that this and my title that these are spoilers. These are all products that you could possibly receive in your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus for March. I love the theme, Power Moves. Yes, let's go. I'm excited to get my own bags to see what I receive. I think I have not chosen my I don't think. I checked earlier today and it wasn't ready. My eye is so teary today. I think tomorrow I get to choose my three out of 5 products for Plus. I already know I chose for my glam bag. That's already done. So I just have to keep an eye on that. So I get to choose 3 out of my 5 that I want, because I don't want this. Hopefully I don't get any more of them, because we did get them in Boxy last month. Did I get in my Boxy base? I think I got each box I had one. So I don't need them again. I will share this one, but I kept one. You know, if I get multiples, I usually keep one, unless it's something that I just will never touch. But, you know, I think this is more novelty than practical, per se. I am so happy to receive this every month. If anybody is interested in signing up for Ipsy, I do have my link down in the description box. I don't make any money from it or anything like that. If you sign up using my link, I do get points, and I save all the points until I have accumulated enough. I purchase usually a palette from their shop or something that is of value to share and give away. I don't use those points for myself. The only points that I keep is when I review my products. Those points are mine. But any sign up points, I keep them. I know I can go back and look and say, well, I have 2,000 points. I can choose a palette like on BoxyCharm and stuff like that, because I do review my bags and stuff like that. Sometimes I use my points and just throw them in and get two items and then put them in a giveaway. Show you that I got them with points and then give them away. I don't use those points for myself. So if you are interested, please use my referral link and sign up. It's always, if you're going to sign up with a link. And if you're supporting my channel and watching this video, I would love for you to sign up with my link. And I hope everyone loved the video. I know these are always so much fun to do, to see what you're going to get. I'm really surprised, because I generally don't get a palette. I get a lot of other great stuff, but not generally a palette. So can't wait to maybe dive into that. That's it. And this is a perfect size with a mirror. Good travel palette. I am a pretty neutrals gal, so that would work perfectly for me. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.